Easy to apply. You don't need to worry about alignment. You don't need to worry about dust. Just put it on top like this. Hold on to this side. Pull the dust removing tape. It removes all the dust. Swipe. And let the absorption go a little bit. After that, peel the sticker. And take off the lid. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than, well, I'm not gonna lie, 45 seconds. This is the clear version for iPads by MagicJohn. It removes dust just the same way. Now, it still has our hydrophobic layer, which makes the screen silky smooth.